Today's factual question is, what is the largest bird of prey? But first, what is a bird of prey? A bird of prey is a bird that feeds on other smaller animals, such as smaller birds or reptiles. They have sharp talons, hooked beaks, and keen eyesight, which enables them to catch their prey. So, what is the largest bird of prey? The Andean condor. It has a wingspan of 10 feet 10 inches and weighs 33 pounds. Fun fact: the Andean condor is one of the longest living birds and can live up to 70 years in some cases. Did you know what the largest bird of prey was? If you would like to learn more, click on the link in the description. See you next time!